Hey lovelies, welcome back again to another recipe video. So guys, today we are going to be making delicious jollof rice. If you are like me that don't like cooking with tomato paste, this recipe is for you. So we are going to be needing 1 big onions, 1 spicy scotch bonnet, and 1 bell pepper. So I'm just going to cut that up and blend it. So I'm going to be adding 2 cups of milk tea. So that's the only tin tomatoes that we need for this jollof rice. I'll also go ahead and cut up 1 onion. Now that that's done, I'm going to add some vegetable oil to my pot. 2 little seasoning cube and some salt. Then I'm going to be adding the diced onion. So just stir it and let your seasoning cubes dissolve in the oil. So I also go ahead and add a curry powder and some bay leaves. So now I'm going to be adding the pepper mix that we blended. So just stir it and cover and allow it to simmer for about, let me just say, 5 to 10 minutes. You have to keep on stirring because we don't want our stew to get burnt. I'll also go ahead and add our meat stock. So I'll just cover this and allow it to come to a boil. So I'm going to be washing about 5 cups of rice here. Now that our stew is ready, I'm just going to be adding about 1 liter of water. So the quantity of water you add to your rice actually depends on how soft or how hard you want your rice to be. So I'm just adding the rice. I'll just keep on stirring and cover and allow it to cook. You have to make sure you cook on low heat. So when the water starts drying down a little bit, now it's time to cover with foil paper and just allow it to cook with the heat from the pot. Now you don't need water, you just need the heat. So guys, so take a look at that, guys. Our rice is almost ready. This is our so I'm just going to stir it. Yeah, keep on stirring. Very important when you're cooking rice. If not, it's going to get burnt. So I also go ahead and add up some water and some onions, yes, for the final garnishing. You don't want to miss that part, you know. So at this stage, guys, our jollof rice is good as ready. Take a look at that yummy goodness. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like and follow this page, and also subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. You can actually eat your jollof rice with anything. You can add some plantain, you can add some salad. So right now I'm going to be adding some chicken and some beef. Take a look at that yummy goodness. Take a look at that.